Ikinonfirma na ni Pangulong Aquino ang pagtatalaga kay Foreign Affairs Undersecretary Erlinda Basilio bilang bagong Philippine Ambassador to China. Ayon sa Pangulo, ang nominasyon kay Basilio ay nagpapakita ng pagpapahalaga ng Pilipinas para sa pagpapabuti ng ating relasyon sa China. Sa ngayon ay hinihintay na lamang ng Pangulo ang appointment papers ni Basilio sa kanyang tanggapan. Nauna nang sinabi ni Pangulong Aquino na ipapadala niya sa Beijing sa Pebrero ang bagong ambassador to China. Si Basilio ang papalit kay Sonia Brady na na-stroke habang ginagampanan nito ang kanyang trabaho bilang ambassador.
So, we will submit her name to the Commission on Appointments once they confirm. And therefore, we can seek the French terms agrément, para na agreement for the designation of Yusek Basilio as our new ambassador to China.
So you're confirming it's Ambassador Basilio. Sir, what were the main considerations for your appointing?
Basically, the higher recommendations by your Secretary of Foreign Affairs, given her wealth of experience, given that she's already the senior undersecretary, parang that sends a signal of how important our relations are with China and how serious we are of trying to achieve parang an understanding with them.